Did you know that each year, over 14,000 ships pass through the Panama Canal, a massive feat of engineering that connects two mighty oceans? This grand waterway is more than just a shortcut for vessels. It's a pivotal point in global trade, a strategic location that has transformed the way we move goods across the world. Every day, ships of all sizes carry a multitude of goods through this canal, from automobiles to grains, making our interconnected world possible. The Panama Canal, a 48-mile-long waterway, is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of engineering. It stands as a symbol of how we, as a species, can reshape the world to overcome natural barriers. This colossal canal wasn't built overnight. Its construction is a tale of perseverance, innovation, and sheer human willpower. The idea for a canal across the Isthmus of Panama was first conceived in the 16th century. It was a time when the world was rapidly expanding, and the brave explorers and visionary engineers of the era began to dream of a quicker, more efficient route between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Imagine the audacity of the plan: to carve a path through dense jungle and steep mountains, to conquer disease and overcome the unpredictable forces of nature. It was a monumental task, one that many deemed impossible. Early attempts were fraught with hardship. Engineers grappled with treacherous terrain, workers struggled under harsh conditions, and many lives were tragically lost. Yet despite these setbacks, the idea persisted. It was a beacon of progress, a testament to the indomitable spirit of human ambition. The dream of a canal was not just about connecting two oceans, it was about shrinking the world, about making the impossible possible. But the road to realization was long and arduous. It would take several centuries and an incredible amount of work before their dream would become a reality. The monumental task of constructing the Panama Canal began in earnest in the late 19th century. Imagine the time, a world ripe with ambition and the hunger for progress. The French, known for their architectural prowess, took the first swing at this mammoth undertaking. But it wasn't as simple as digging a trench and calling it a day. Oh no. This was a gargantuan task that demanded more than just manpower and machinery. The French, under the leadership of Ferdinand de Lesseps, the mastermind behind the Suez Canal, embarked on this ambitious journey. They aimed to carve out a 50-mile waterway through the heart of Panama, but they were blindsided by the harsh realities of the terrain and tropical climate. Nature had a cruel way of pushing back. Malaria and yellow fever decimated the workforce, taking a heavy toll on the morale and progress of the project. Financial woes soon followed, as the cost of construction spiraled out of control. By 1889, the French venture was bankrupt, and the dream of the Panama Canal seemed to be slipping away into the dense jungles of Central America. But, as the saying goes, when one door closes, another opens. In 1904, the United States, under President Theodore Roosevelt, took over the reins. They saw an opportunity in the French failure, a chance to establish a quicker trade route and assert their global dominance. With renewed determination, the United States pushed forward, undeterred by the daunting task ahead. Building the Panama Canal was no easy feat, with engineers and workers facing immense challenges. In fact, the obstacles that arose during its construction were as colossal as the project itself. In order to carve a 50-mile-long waterway through the heart of Central America, those involved had to grapple with a series of unprecedented difficulties. The first major hurdle was disease. Malaria and yellow fever spread by mosquitoes claimed thousands of lives. It was an era before these diseases were fully understood, but through trial and error, efforts were made to control the mosquito population, significantly reducing the death toll. Next came the challenge of the terrain itself. The thick jungles, swamps, and the formidable Culebra Cut, a massive excavation through the Continental Divide, posed a significant challenge. But with the implementation of dynamite and steam shovels, they were able to move mountains, quite literally. Then there were the engineering problems. Landslides were a common occurrence, threatening to undo months of hard work in a matter of minutes. This demanded innovative solutions, like the creation of a lock system, which helped control the water levels and prevent such disasters. More than just a story of construction, the Panama Canal stands as a testament to human resilience and ingenuity. It tells the tale of how, when faced with seemingly insurmountable challenges, we can find ways to overcome, adapt, and prevail. Despite the challenges, the determined workers and engineers pressed on, inching closer to their goal each day. After a decade of tireless work, on August 15, 1914, the Panama Canal officially opened to maritime traffic. This event marked the culmination of an epic endeavor, a testament to human willpower and engineering prowess. The first ship to pass through this new gateway to the world was the SS Ancon, making her journey amidst the fanfare of celebrations that echoed across continents. The completion of the canal was more than just an engineering marvel. It marked a transformative shift in global trade. The Panama Canal shortened the maritime route between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans by approximately 8,000 nautical miles, bypassing the treacherous Cape Horn route around the southernmost tip of South America. This revolutionized global commerce, allowing for faster, safer, and more efficient transport of goods between the East and the West. The Panama Canal's opening was celebrated worldwide, and rightly so. This monumental achievement was not just about connecting two oceans, it was about connecting the world, fostering growth, and driving progress. The Panama Canal, a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance, stands as a beacon of progress and a vital artery of global trade. The Panama Canal is more than just a waterway, it's a symbol of human achievement. This marvel of engineering is a testament to the audacious spirit of mankind that dared to dream and transform it into reality. Born from an idea that was centuries old, the canal stands today as a monument to perseverance and innovation. Its construction was no easy feat. It was a journey filled with daunting challenges, from the treacherous terrain and deadly diseases to the numerous lives lost and financial hurdles. Yet, the indomitable spirit of the builders prevailed, overcoming every obstacle in their path. The canal's opening signaled a new era in global trade. It bridged two major oceans, significantly reducing the distance and time taken for ships to travel between the Atlantic and the Pacific. It revolutionized the way we trade, connecting markets and facilitating economic growth on an unprecedented scale. So, next time you see a ship sailing smoothly through the Panama Canal, remember the countless hours of labor, the ingenuity, and the sheer willpower that turned a centuries-old dream into a reality.